Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a scatter plot in Excel using this data, which is the hours spent studying and the score earned on the final exam. This is actually pretty simple, so I'm just going to jump right into it. I'll highlight the columns here. So now I have my data identified, and then I'm going to click Insert. And in the Insert option, I have these tables, recommended charts. I'm going to click Charts, and then the one that looks like a scatter diagram under Scatter, I will click that. And there it is. I have my chart. And essentially, it's done. It's good to go. I can do certain things on the side if I want. If I click this, I can decide to add things like axis titles, and then I can click in here and change those titles to whatever I want, right? So I can label this as score, for example, or grade, whatever you want to do. Let's say score. And then on the x-axis title, I can label that, hours spent studying, or just hours, however I want to do that. I'm going to do hours spent studying. All right, and then voila, I have my drawing, and that's a scatter plot. And I can see the shape, is roughly a straight line, right? So it looks approximately linear.